Welcome to our channel. Today, we are excited to present an incredible opportunity for industrial development in India. Have you ever wondered how small and medium-sized enterprises in India can unlock their true potential? Well, wonder no more. The Indian government has introduced special loans dedicated to MSMEs, enabling them to thrive and contribute to the country's industrial sector. The MSME loan program provides financial support to businesses in various industries, including manufacturing, service, and trading. These loans are designed to help MSMEs by providing easy access to credit for purchasing machinery, expanding operations, and upgrading technology. By availing these loans, MSMEs can take their businesses to new heights of success. They can increase production capacity, improve product quality, and enhance their reach in both domestic and international markets. With the right financial support, small and medium-sized enterprises can become key players in India's industrial landscape. But that's not all. The Indian government has also simplified the loan application process to make it hassle-free for MSMEs. This means that businesses can easily approach the banking sector and obtain the necessary financial support they need to fuel their growth. So, if you're an entrepreneur, a business owner, or someone looking to invest in the Indian industrial sector, don't miss out on this golden opportunity. The Indian government's MSME loan program is your key to unlocking countless possibilities for industrial development. Join the League of Successful MSMEs and be a part of India's thriving industrial landscape. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it informative and helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Together, let's explore